Bumper class for Swift. Bumper class for
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning and peace been opening us all. On this good cons of me to present some information about one of the close medicine product that is quality will count in Indonesia. Name Siladex Microlax experiences. This product is specific Siladex specific product, yes, Siladex the specific okay. Siladex Microlix expensive is one of the version of the Siladex brand fix longer ago as Trukun Medis brand in Indonesia. As the name implies, the product consists two main component named Mircolex English and Experiences with work synergies to overman playman judgment. The main common composition is brow and brow helix. At head he she Wind is our Microlax. They met work by bring though Microlax fibers and they represents. There was organless, the thick basement, thinner and extensive to remorphs. In addition, the expansor can help us the process of reformers most for the reprocess, yes. Reprocess make from reprocess to the acquisition of the both the heart the con maximum, so this puts not on relevance stimulus but also help overman the choice of his claimant crossing con plus the Siladex Microlax and experiences is procure and experiencing Sultan they help overcome claimant cons with and with they are proven to work to thin and reforming plegam as well as they aspects of not choosing Darwinism. The product is the ring, so choosing to supporter they recommend of the spiritual thick with this spread the activities. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.